AP SET English 2025 exam held during the morning shift on 29th March. The provisional answer key was released yesterday. Please note that the objection window ends on 18th April 2026 at 12 p.m. I have identified 5 questions in paper 1 that I have challenged. I will now go through these questions one by one. Here is the next question ID. The question specifically asks for the length of an IPv6 address. Option 1, 128 bits, is the only correct answer. The current provisional key lists option 3 as correct, which is an error because 32 bits is the length of an IPv4 address, not IPv6. You can challenge questions like this on the portal by submitting your proof in PDF or JPG format. Here is the next question ID. The provisional answer key claims that option 4, 4123, is correct, but this is logically inaccurate. Let's look at the actual chronological sequence. ISM Dhanbad was established in 1926. The UGC was established in 1953. The first NIT was established in 1959. And NCERT was established in 1961. Therefore, the correct logical sequence is 4132. Since this correct sequence is not available among any of the multiple choice options, the question is technically flawed and should be challenged. Here is the next question ID. The correct answer here is option 1. The provisional key chooses option 3, but this is incorrect. Parishads, Charanas, and Ashrams. 1, 2, 3 are institutions. Upadhyay and Acharya. 4 and 5 are specific categories of teachers. So, the correct answer is option 1. Here is the next question. There are major typos in option 2, and the logic in option 4 is confusing. The key links cement factories with asbestosis. However, asbestosis is specifically caused by asbestos fibers. Standard cement dust is usually linked to silicosis. Because the options have typos and the terms are ambiguous, this question is not accurate. It is worth challenging to see if the board will accept it. I have submitted 5 questions and paid the fees. You can also print the key objections.